snowstorm vlog.
Yeah, it's a blizzard out there. I was thinking about vlogging driving home, but I was like, probably not the safest ideal.
You want to tell them about it?
So it is literally a blizzard outside. I don't know what else to say. It's a blizzard.
It's terrible. Tell them what you're doing.
I'm getting a cookie.
I don't mean that. What we're doing right now in the other room.
Cal's listening to annoying videos.
Thanks for...
Josh is working on the blooper reel. And I'm doing research on our next hunt.
It's going to be awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Excited.
Yeah, you gotta do your homework.
Wait. Show him the cookie. Close up. Close up. Josh. Night watch. I'm watching some basketball. I'm closing the door. Now we're gonna be working all night, aren't we? Sipping on that gin and juice.
I can't hear you.
I said sipping on that gin and juice.
It's more like a sweet tea.
AKA McDonald's iced tea.
Sweet tea.
I'm loving it.
Not iced tea.
Oh, my bad.
I'm trying to do research, bro.
I'm sorry. So, you gotta say the final words.
Night Watchers vlog out.